How to add Arabic text in CapCut. So if you want to add Arabic text in your CapCut, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your CapCut at first. After opening your CapCut, you can go with an existing project or you can also go with a new project. Now if you want to add Arabic text, then what you need to do is just simply select a clip in which you would like to add the text. After that, you just need to simply scroll on the bottom or swipe and you will have a text option. You just need to simply tap on the text. Here on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have text. Tap on it and then tap on add text, and here you need to enter the text. Like if you want to go with Arabic, then you can go with settings on your keyboard, or you can just simply go with translate, which is right here, Google Translate. And I'll just simply go with English at first. I'll write something in English and then I'll translate it to Arabic. Now I'll just simply write hello, and as you can see that on CapCut I have added an Arabic text. Go with the tick and that's it, done. So that's how you can add an Arabic text, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.